Hey sweet babies, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. If you like fragrance, makeup, skincare, vlogs, real people, and real talk, definitely subscribe to my channel. So today's video is going to be all about my favorite vanillas in my collection. This is the time of year when everybody's checking for vanillas, okay? We love vanilla all throughout the year, but it's something about that cold weather that we want a nice, good vanilla. So I have several different types of vanillas in here, and vanilla is a prominent note in these fragrances, so I'm not even gonna go through the notes. I'm gonna just tell y'all what I love about them, when I wear them, how they make me feel, and all of the things. So let's get into it. Let's start with the most easy reach vanilla, and that is a Gentle Fluidity Gold. Y'all, I remember when I purchased this and my juice was all light, and I was like, I want my juice to be dark like everybody else's. It's finally getting there, girl. But this is on everybody's vanilla list because it's a vanilla that's just so easy to wear. You can dress it up, you can dress it down, and it's just something about when you wear this, you feel special, you feel important, you feel gentle, you know what I'm saying? And I just love this. It's very much so a more soft spoken type of vanilla, so this isn't one that you would wear if you're trying to announce your presence or anything like that. But when people come around you, you smell like a luxurious type of vanilla, airy, sweet, and I think it's a fan favorite for a reason. Like, I feel like this is something I would always want in my collection because I know this is something I can always reach for, wear any time of the year I want. This one is new to my collection, and I mean, she shot up to the top real quick, fast, and in a hurry, and that is Vanilla Vice by Vivamore. Y'all, this vanilla is fire. Like, the vanilla and the suede is blended so freaking good. Now, a lot of people are saying this smells like Baby Cat, and I can't lie, I did have a decant of Baby Cat, and when I wore it, I liked it, and I do feel like they are similar for sure. But baby, I don't have to like go to the edge of the earth and pay $1 million like for Baby Cat. I got this, and y'all can have Baby Cat, honey, because this right here is good enough for me, and it's giving me all the Baby Cat vibes and all of that. You want something similar to Baby Cat? If you like Rosendo number 5, like, girl, this is good. The vanilla and the suede is popping. Since it's got that suede in here, this is something I want to wear for date night. I want to wear this for date night. I think this will layer well with other things like this right here. Vanilla Vice has me in a vice. Has me in a vice. Y'all can have chokehold because I'm in a vice, girl. I'm in a vice. KAYALI Silk Santal 36. Now, I don't know if it's true, but rumor has it that she's coming back this year. So, maybe when Mona's anniversary swings around, she might surprise y'all because y'all went crazy for this. I absolutely enjoyed this for sure. I definitely liked layering them together better, you know, the wedding collection together, but this is a really pretty vanilla. This is like a summertime vanilla for me. It's sparkly, it's sweet, it's feminine and girly. It's like a summertime vanilla because it reminds me, put me in the same mind frame as like Dama Bianca, and this is definitely like a pretty girl wedding type of scent for sure. But yeah, when I want a vanilla that's soft and pretty, feminine, girly, a little sparkly, this is definitely one that I would reach for. Now let's talk about Vanilla Royale Sugar Patchouli, because honey, this one was the one I was like immediately, no honey, but the more I wore it, the more I like it. The patchouli was patchouliing to me real hard, and I was like, why do it smell like it got mint in it? Like, it's vanilla and toothpaste. I don't know. It's gave me like a minty type of feel to it when I first had it, and now it smells more like a sweet patchouli. I feel like this is definitely one of the more projecting, long-lasting KAYALI fragrances. Like, I don't have a problem with performance on this one. Like I said, this really grew on me. This is definitely a sexier type of vanilla because of that patchouli, so I feel like you can wear this for date night. It's good for layering with other things to give another fragrance like a little more sexiness to it. This will definitely be in my next layering combo video because the combo that I did with it was just popping. It was popping, girl. So yeah, this I like to wear on its own sometimes, but I normally layer with it. Bianca Latte. So we almost about tired of her. Okay, we almost about tired of hearing about her. I get it. I know. I understand. But when it comes to a nice vanilla, she is your girl. Now, of course, Caramel is really the star of the show here, but the vanilla is definitely a supporting actress and very much so needed in here. This one is comforting. This is home. This is cozy. This is, you know, cuddle up, Netflix and chill, movie night, just chilling, watching a football game. Like, this is like more of the in the house vanilla, but I've also worn her outside and got compliments. It's sweet. It smells kind of edible. Smells like kind of cookie, like a, well, that's what somebody said. They was like, you smell like a cookie. And I did smell like a good cookie, honey. Was ready to get ate up. Yes, I was, honey. But this is really pretty, and this is something that I said, like, I mostly like to wear it in the house, but she's definitely been outside and did what she had to do. So if you're looking for like a more gourmandy type of vanilla, Bianca Latte is your girl. Navitas Lost in a Dream, the collaboration with Paulina Shar. Like, I have really enjoyed their collaboration for sure. Like, all three of the collaborations that Navitas did with Paulina, I love all of them, and this one is no exception. So this is the newest one, and I really enjoyed this. I had this on my tray last week, and I just was like, wow, this is so nice and cozy and comforting. It's milky and a little lactonic, but it's got a little spicy cinnamon to it. This isn't too over the moon edible though, you know, even though it has edible notes in it, like the croissant, you know what I'm saying? It really doesn't smell super foodie to me, but it does smell super comforting, super cozy, super cuddle like, and I just love that. The lactonicness in here is not too lactonic, you know what I'm saying? Like, I feel like Bianca Latte smells more lactonic than this, you know. Blanche Bette smells more lactonic than this, but the milky creaminess is definitely still in there. And of course, good old vanilla. Okay, so this has not been outside yet, but honey, she was all up and through this house just lingering and smelling so good and vanilla and sweet and creamy. And Lost in a Dream had me lost in a dream. Silky Woods by Goldfield and Banks. Now this is when you want to do a little something extra, you know what I'm saying? You want to put a little woodiness on it, you know, give it a little more something, some more stamina, and take it outside, you know what I'm saying? This is, I've heard it could be a unisex vanilla, and I see where they're coming from with the woodiness. It's suede and oud and tobacco in here, so it's giving you a little bit more, but the vanilla is definitely still very much so there. And I feel like this is one of those vanillas I want to wear more on a date. It could be a casual date, it could be a fancy date, it could be either one, but I like her to go outside and be smelled for sure. I've worn it more casually, you know, not on date night, and I just think this is a nice, really nice vanilla with something more to it, but the vanilla is still prominent. I don't think the suede and tobacco is too much because you still get that vanilla, but like I said, this is something you want to wear when you want to dress it up a little bit with your vanilla. A couple really sexy vanillas that I specifically do like to wear for date night. I can wear them anytime, anywhere, any place, of course, but I tend to pull for these when I'm going on a date or it's more of a special occasion type of fragrance. What is it about when you doing something special, you like a dark bottle, you reach for a black bottle? Like, why is that? So one of them is definitely Vanille Fatale by Tom Ford. So this is the original one, and now they have a 2024 version, which definitely have different notes, but a lot of the same similar notes as well. I definitely want to get my nose on that one to see how it smells, but I'm so glad I have the original formulation. Like, this is my vanilla and leather. So it's actually suede, but it smells more like a beautiful buttery leather to me, and I love it. Even though I mostly just get vanilla and leather in here, I feel like it's kind of a sexy type of vanilla. This is something I want to wear when I'm wearing all black, hair pulled back in a, you know, tight bun, or up in the top knot, red lip, you know, red bottoms, like that whole type of vibe. Vanille Fatale gives me that femme fatale type of feeling. No problem with the longevity on this and performance on this. Like, this is a compliment getter, and it's just beautiful. I love this. It's a darker, sexy vanilla, and yeah, I like to pull this out for more special occasions and date night, but you know, I wear it to the grocery store too now. And then another sexy black date night bottle, of course, is Absolute Aphrodisiac by Initio. Now, of course, we know this is a vanilla that is not for everybody because of that animalic civet note, but for me, it's giving sensual, musky, you know, type of feel. I feel like the animalic note is what makes this what it is. You know what I'm saying? I feel like it makes it more than just a vanilla. It does give it a sensuality, a sex appeal to it, and I think it's beautiful. But this is definitely one you need to try before you buy. You know what I'm saying? You have to like a nice kind of deep, somewhat animalic, resinous type of vanilla to like this. But this is also super sexy to me, and this is one I reach for more special occasions, date night, and all of that. And I feel like it is an absolute aphrodisiac. If you are not new here, you know I love Rosendo number 5. You know I love that kind of animalic, spicy, exotic, floral note, whatever it is that's giving us that animalic type of feel. I love it, and I'm here for it. To me, it smells so good, so sexy, so sensual, and I absolutely love this. But baby, this is sweet. This is sweet and thick, and that vanilla is singing in here. Oh, it's so good. It's so good. It's so good, y'all. This is so sexy to me. I've worn it to brunch, okay? I've worn this to places that are not quote unquote sexy, but if I want to be, I can absolutely pull for this. Absolutely pull for this. The people that like this will probably also like Absolute Aphrodisiac as well. People that like this like Baby Cat, so you'll like Vanilla Vice. Like those type of fragrances are kind of all in the same family, give you the same vibe. Y'all know I talk about this so much, like, so I'm not gonna spend a whole bunch of time on here, but the vanilla is absolutely prominent, and this is a beautiful sexy scent that you can dress up. You can dress it down, but I don't recommend, girl. Put something on and then put this on. You know what I'm saying? Go give it to them. Last but not least is Note Vanille by M. Micallef. So as you can see, I don't really wear this much. I've only worn this bottle one time because I always keep telling y'all when we do our weekly fragrance tray, I'm waiting for my juice to get dark on here, honey. I want my juice to be dark like Morse Chestnut, okay? That's what I want. Because when I had a decant of it, my juice was dark and I loved it. It felt like a kind of boozy, a little smoky, incensey type of vanilla, and I really enjoyed it. Now, even though my juice is not dark in here, when I did wear it the one time, the juice was actually lighter than this, and it performed better than I thought it would. So girl, when this juice gets dark, you ain't gonna be able to tell me nothing, okay? I want my juice to be dark. And yeah, but this is a nice easy reach vanilla. Even though it has the booziness and the kind of smoky incensey vibe, I still feel like it's an easy reach. It kind of gives me like vanilla 28, but a little more smoky, a little more incensey, you know what I'm saying? Like a little more something, very much something, you know? So I like this. I'm just waiting for the juice to get dark, but I definitely know what it smells like. I've definitely worn it before because I tore that decant down, had to get the full bottle, and here we are. So those are some of my favorite vanillas in my collection. Like, I just love them all. They all have a purpose. They all mean something to me, and I reach for them for different occasions, different reasons, and all of that. So let me know, what are your favorite vanillas in your collection? If I didn't have them here, I definitely want to know, you know, what you have that I need to get. You know, you really can't mess up a vanilla. I mean, you can, but you know, 9 times out of 10, if it's got a vanilla prominent note, I'm probably gonna like it. So thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, comment, share, and of course subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye.